Getting the movie recording has been stopped automatically message on your Canon camera. It can be frustrating when videos cut off suddenly, but the fix is usually simple. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the movie recording stops error on your Canon camera. Let's fix it right now. Solution 1. Format the memory card. Remember that this will erase all data on the card. So, back up any important photos/videos first. After that, press the menu button. Then go to the first wrench icon. Next, select the format card. Then, click the set button. Next, select OK. Click the set button again, and it's formatted everything. Now, switch off your camera, and then switch back on again, and try whether the issue is solved or not. Or you can use a faster SD card. Solution 2. Check for overheating. If the camera gets too hot, the video recording may stop. Let it cool down before recording anything, and try to avoid recording in direct sunlight for long periods. Solution 3. Change image quality. Turn on your camera, then press on the Q button. Here you will see an option like MLS or RAW. Select this option. Now make sure to set the S2 or S3 option. These reduces the file size and makes the recording more stable. And that's it. Hope your issue is solved by now. Don't forget to hit that like button. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.